Hi beautiful people, welcome back, or welcome if you are new. I'm Mel. Let me take this box off. The box always comes very well packaged from FeeLook Art. So today I'm unboxing a brand new PR package from FeeLook Art, and this one feels really special to me. This design is called the Carousel Horse. Isn't she beautiful? Before we open her up, let's have a look at the box. So you have this beautiful embossed box. It always feels really special. Let's try and get this plastic film off carefully. It has come really well wrapped, as you saw, and just a tiny indent there. That's okay, it's not going to affect the quality of the package inside, I'm pretty sure. So yeah, I've got my new tripod on and I've got the camera up as high as I can, and I think the tripod isn't very stable and it's leaned up onto the table and it is wobbling. So let me pause and see if I can fix that. Alright, I hope we're a bit more stable now. This box is actually quite large, so I've got the camera up pretty high, and yeah, let's get back into it. So we've got our beautiful box. Box itself, FeeLook Art packaging always feels sturdy. It's presented really nicely, and I love when brands make the unboxing feel like part of the experience. It really does feel like you're opening something special before you even see the canvas. Yeah, so you've got beautiful statement there. Every diamond you place is a small step towards something extraordinary. Yeah, FeeLook Art, when tiny sparks become masterpieces. Everything you need inside, details on back, and what I call their diamond seal quality there. Diamond painting kit. And we've got a lovely sparkly diamond there. And on the back we have the branding again, and we've got some simple instructions which are actually very clear if you are new to diamond painting. The kit inside, and that might vary because they are changing up their kits as well as the company grows and gets more feedback from content creators, reviewers like myself. And then we've got the FeeLook Art address, email and website. We've got some safety here. We've got the choking hazard, quality assurance, big tick there, missing diamond guarantee, and high quality flannel canvas. And then on this side we have QR code there, which if you scan it will take you to their website, and then we've got their socials as well. And then we've got the lovely sticker which has the name, the SKU number. Fabric size is 78 by 58 centimeters, or 30.7 inches by 22.8 inches, and the design size, which is 70 by 50 centimeters, and that is 27.6 inches by 19.7 inches, and the design shape is round. I think that covers the box. Now the sticker does come off if I use it in my logbook, but you can also, depending on how, if you store your diamond painting back in the box, you can easily put it on the end of the box if you wanted to. I chose it because this year is the year of the horse, and horses have always meant something special to me and my family. So later on I will share more stories about that, but for today let's have a look at this beautiful kit. I will be doing an honest review and just what I've experienced so far from FeeLook Art. Their quality is exceptional. Just knocked the camera off my hat, sorry. And I am very, very honoured to be reviewing another kit. This is my third PR kit for FeeLook Art. And inside the box you get a few items. I'll just put that over there. You get a lovely little booklet, and it is sparkly and beautiful, and you can sign it. Your artistic journey with FeeLook Art, and then it has instructions inside, tips and tricks, small steps, brilliant creations, and then you can, on the back, you can start date it and complete date it. And as this is my third one now, I'm actually writing down the name of the canvas on it as well, just as a quick reminder. And we also get, hang on, was there a kit? Maybe it's inside. I'm thinking that the toolkit might be inside the bag. You get the Starlight Collector's card. And if I scratch this off, it will give me a discount for a purchase. And then QR code takes you to their website. And here's our beautiful card. Beautiful holographic pink inspired card here. That is stunning. So good. Let's open this up, and fingers crossed our toolkit is going to drop out when I take it out of the dustproof bag. Do keep the bag if you need to store it again. It does have holes in it. It does have a hole there. That just makes it easier to put back into the bag. Yes, I can see the toolkit is there. Beautiful drills. Right, I'm just going to roll this back the opposite way, just so it will flatten out a bit better for the video. It is poured glue, so I can do that. The FeeLook Art have really good quality glue on their canvases. I've not had an issue with the two that I've worked on so far. I can actually smell the glue, but it's not very smelly, it's not offensive. It just smells really fresh, that's all. Alright, so I'm just going to lay this on the other end of the table. It's upside down, so I'm not peeking at it. I'm very tempted. So let's have a look at the toolkit. Branding on point there. It does have some contents on there, but it may vary, as I said, from kit to kit. Okay, that's it. And you can seal it back up. It does have a little zip lock on there, so you can seal it. Really thick, waxy type paper, so that will last. So you get some baggies. There's probably about 60 in there. I think I counted once before. You get 2 drill trays. Really good if you like to work on 2 colours at a time. Okay, these do look, they look a little bit different to the last ones I got, but that's okay. They're all the same. They are kind of holographic, just not as, yeah, maybe they are, maybe it's just a light today. Beautiful stickers, 1 to 60, so you can, I see the drills are in trains, so you can kit up into the bags and put the numbers on there, or put the numbers on your containers if you work that way, or you know, some people make their own stickers up. We also have some tweezers. I'll just move this out of the way for now. In time for a sip of tea. Trouble with tea in a china cup, it does go cold quickly. So we do get some angled tweezers. Keep the sheath on them when not in use because they are sharp. You will use these for any special drills, or if you've misplaced a drill you need to get it off quickly. We have got a twist pen. It is already loaded with wax. Hopefully you can see that. So it is already loaded with wax. You just twist this end like a screw and it will start coming out. It is pretty cold, so the wax hasn't quite warmed up. You know, when you're holding it, the wax will warm up and it will push out easy. You get extra wax. I'm not sure if it's wax or putty, but this is white and what's inside is pink, so I'm not sure why. Sometimes we get pink wax, sometimes we get white, but I think it's pretty hard to remove it out of here, but you can easily just untwist to reload and that little silver ring there will come out as well. I won't do that today, but put those aside for now. We've got our drills, which I will pause and open up, but we really want to look at the canvas, don't we? So I will take these out of the bag and then we'll have a look at the canvas. Unfortunately, because this canvas is so big, I'm not going to get the whole canvas in the frame without moving the camera up and down. So let's just move the drills away for a minute. I do want to have a look at those because I see there are some beautiful specials in there which I've not seen before. Let's have a look at the canvas. It's beautiful. It's a nice thickness. Yep, very. I talked about the electrostatic process on another video. If you want to know more about that, I'll just link a card up above here. You can check that out in a moment. It's lovely flocked and perforated so it doesn't fray. Really good quality. Let's flip her over. We've got our beautiful branding on the top. And you can see, hopefully it is nice and sparkly. I'm trying to get enough light in my windows, but without it being too glary. But yeah, beautiful. Oh my goodness. Look at her. I'll try and maneuver it up so you can see. Oh my goodness. You are stunning. Thank you, Sunny, over at FeeLook Art for arranging this PR review for me. Super, super, super pleased to be working with you again. And I'm so pleased I chose this image. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I am speechless. But yeah, I even painted my nails for the occasion. Probably can't see. Let's try and get it in focus. Can you see? So we've got some pink nails and some kind of carnival vibes going on. All right. So Carousel Horse, this design immediately stood out to me when I was asked to choose an image out of about 6 or 8 images. I can't quite remember now. I will have a look. I will put on the screen the images that are available. But for this, there is the movement in the mane. Beautiful decorative detail. We've got flowers. I'm intrigued to see what goes in here. Lots of special drills. Yeah, carousel horses always feel elegant and nostalgic all at the same time. My puppies are coming inside if you can hear them jumping up on the chairs. Yeah, so yeah, this one really captures the elegance and softness as well. It reminds me of show days and family memories growing up around horses here as well. So here in Hawke's Bay we have a show. It isn't a show that goes around the country, but it's called the AMP show, and that stands for Agricultural and Pastoral Show. And ours falls over a long weekend, which makes it even more special. But I'm going to talk about that and my memories of that in another video. Today is focusing on this beautiful canvas. I'm just going to pause and go and get my scraper so I can straighten up this plastic cover. So I picked this up from my local Bunnings, which is a hardware store. Those in New Zealand and Australia will know about that store. It was about 12 or 13 New Zealand dollars, so not cheap, but does the job well. Because this canvas has been rolled up for a while, the sheet just may have some ripples in it, and what I'm doing is just pulling it back. Make sure you hold it because you don't want this cover to flick over and land on the glue the opposite way, because then you are fighting trying to take it off. These cover sheets can only go on one direction, one way. Oops. I think I've gotten air bubbles out. Yeah, there's a few there. There's still a few. So, oh, did I just get my head in the camera there? I hope not. Okay. I'm wearing a hat just to keep my hair up. And just walk the dog so it's nice and sunny outside. So I actually forgot to take it off. That is better. Oh, she's so beautiful. So we are poured glued, and great thing about FeeLook Art canvases, their glue doesn't go right to the edge, so you actually don't need to use washi tape. As you can see, there's a bit of a border there. The glue stops where the drill's placement stops. It's super sticky. To be honest, this glue actually looks a little bit thinner than the previous canvases I've worked on with FeeLook Art, so they may have just reduced the glue thickness a little bit. Still feel some air bubbles in there. So in the bottom left hand corner here we have the thumbnail and we have the SKU number, the name, design size, fabric size, and copyright of FeeLook Art. We have all of their socials here, so proud of your masterpiece. Use the hashtag FeeLook Art to be featured on their social media. And then you can leave a review on their website, Facebook, Instagram there. And then we've got the eco-responsible canvas, made to last, made with care, no bleed, no waste, no compromise. And here we have, just knocked over my light. It's starting to get a bit brighter now, so I may not need that. We have their schematic. So at the top we have the serial number. So we have the number of the colours. So 1, 2, in this case 48 colours. Then we have the symbol that will help you identify on the drill field. And then we have the colour code, which is the DMC colour code. And that runs along there, and as you can see there's a lot of pinks. Some golden colours, maybe some brown, khaki, green colours, back to the pinks. And then we've got our specials down here, which are gold, 1, 2, 3. And I see we've got 2 fairy dust as well. Oh, looking forward to working on you. So something interesting about FeeLook Art is they organise many of their designs into themed collections. So if we look at their website you can see that, and one of their well-known collections right now is the Pink series, which focuses on soft, romantic and calming designs with gentle colours and dreamy detail. They also have a newer series out just now, which is an extension to their Goddess series. And this features more powerful and symbolic feminine designs inspired by mythology and storytelling. This Carousel Horse feels like it sits somewhere between those two styles actually. Soft and elegant, but strong and expressive. Very powerful, beautiful, powerful horse. Just takes centre stage. Love it. Let's have a look at the drills. Let's see, we've got some beautiful specials. Looks like we've got 3 different sizes there. So 1, 2, 3. Oh, this is going to be stunning. They are huge. They are like rounds or half rounds, and these should be able to be picked up with the pen that FeeLook Art supplies, because I have used it on other special drills that I have used. The gold rings, the gold wasn't as big as this, but if I just show you what I mean. Like with this canvas, these little round dots here picked up perfectly fine, and the little diamonds, teardrops, they pick up really well. So these are going to go where these numbers are, these big circles. Wow, that is going to be stunning. Then we've got all of, oh, I've actually got more. So there were 3 of these, so that might be, are they the same? They do look a bit smaller. Actually, maybe we've got 4. Let's have a look at the number. Yeah, they are different. So that number, yeah, they are different. 46. 46. Oh, 47, 48. Oh, yeah. They are the same size. So there's 2 different. That can't be right. 1, 2, 3. 3 different size gold. Beautiful. We're not going to have a look at all the beautiful colours here, but as you can see, they are stunning. Beautiful pinks. Some more muted colours. Some khaki green. Some deeper green, brown, pinks. Oh, they are beautiful. Now, there was a frosted drill here, and it's frosted fairy dust type drill. It was this one right here, which is the 5200Z, which is your pure white. You can just see there is a bit of a frosting on there. Nice. Some really nice delicate colours. They're really going to be enhanced by the gold and those beautiful pinks. And we've got a red. That is your true red, which is 666. That's beautiful. I do want to have a look and see where those special drills go, and it's quite easy to see where the gold ones go. But the white frosted drill is your little square, and that is going to be through the horse's legs, a little bit on the tail, so a bit of a highlight. Yeah, just where you've got the sun reflecting on the horse's saddle here, and the legs and the hair. I think that might be where the only places. Yeah, just to, oh, there's a little bit here in the stand that the horse is attached to. You can see that. And let's have a close look at the drill field. Hopefully that's nice and clear for you. That does look really good. I've not had any issues with FeeLook Art, and this is a beautiful bright colour. I may not need a light pad. I just noticed the beautiful roses at the bottom along here. It's so pretty. Oh, I might need a light pad in this darker area here. It's actually not too bad, but my eyes aren't the greatest. Now, you notice how sparkly these drills are. Okay, let's have a pause and just have a beautiful pan over of this gorgeous canvas. Also, if you are new to my channel, do consider subscribing. I do diamond painting content, PR reviews, and some relaxing content like meditation music, just calming music. Yeah, come along on the journey with me. I do whip and chats as well, and yeah, I will bring you diamond art companies that I really enjoy working with. And please do consider hitting the like button as well. That helps with the algorithm, and yeah, the longer you watch in the video as well, the more it helps with the algorithm and pushes my content out there for people that really will appreciate it. So you can see how sparkly these jewels are. Now here's a little sparkle detail that many people may not know. The round drills in this kit have 26 facets to them. Those tiny little surfaces that reflect the light and create the sparkle. More facets mean more light reflection and more shimmer. We've got a couple of yeah, they stand out, contrasting. We've got some stowaways in that one. So not all premium brands use the same drill cut. Some specialty drills use around 20 facets, and some companies don't even list their facet count at all. But 26 facet rounds are known for giving that really nice sparkle effect, which suits a design like this beautifully. Now I am an affiliate for FeeLook Art, so there are some good deals, specials on at the moment, but if you're not seeing any sales or special coupons, I will link to mine below and on screen. But if you use the link, that does let FeeLook Art know that people are watching my content, and yeah, I'd love to be able to support you and give you a bit of a discount. I will earn a bit of a commission if you use my link. And we've got a nice air bubble there. I just feel all the dogs in the neighbourhood are wanting to bark while I'm recording my videos. This design feels joyful and elegant at the same time, and I think it's a perfect choice for the year of the horse and to help with my memories of my childhood. I'm really looking forward to working on this one and seeing that sparkle come to life. Let me know in the comments below, are you a horse lover? You got some special memories you want to share, and whether you prefer the soft romantic designs or the more powerful goddess style artwork. All right, beautiful people, I am going to get kitted up and started on this beautiful masterpiece. Thanks so much for watching. I appreciate you.